How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix screen mirroring, basically what causes it and how you can go ahead and fix it. So a lot of people have been asking on Reddit and in other communities out there on how you could fix this problem. And in today's video, I'll go ahead and show you on how you can fix it. So first, let's talk about the common causes of screen mirroring lag. First, we have a weak or crowded Wi-Fi. Mirroring a screen requires significant bandwidth, and using a standard 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band or being too far from your router leads to buffering and dropped frames from their wireless interface. Physical obstacles like thick walls, heavy cabinets, or interface from Bluetooth devices and microwaves can go ahead and disrupt the signal that can cause your problems to occur. Now, next we have task overload. Now, running resource-heavy background applications on your device right here. So for example, I have my OBS running. I have a lot of applications running in my background that can go ahead and hinder or consume valuable RAM and CPU power, causing the device to struggle with real-time video encoding. And the last cause is high resolution demand. Streaming in 4K puts heavy strain on your network, and if your connection cannot keep up, it results in choppy playback. So the fixes is going to be really simple. You want to switch to 5 gigahertz network connection. We have to optimize our network as much as we can. We could reduce distance and limit network traffic. From there, we could also try optimizing our device, restore both of the devices, clean background applications, update your software, and lower your resolution. And I suggest also going wired. It's best for gaming or zero latency. So you could just go ahead and use like something like LAN cable in order to eliminate this problem. And if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.